Hey guys, I want to bring you a quick video since if I run into trouble I like to get the solution for things, and once I find the solutions I like to share the solutions. So I have the original Mavic Pro and I was flying it yesterday, and the horizon was off, and it was tilted. It would make erratic movements, and it was giving me also errors on the remote, like the wheel error and the sticks. So I was looking at 51 drones yesterday, and he had similar issues, but he attributed the issues to the Mavic Pro being old. I believe the drone is about 4 years old now. So I went ahead and kept looking. I found out that if the remote control is not calibrated, it could give you this type of issues. So I went a little bit further. I went ahead and calibrated the remote, but initially I went ahead and made everything factory using the DJI Assist app. I went ahead and did the software update on the drone via the computer as well as the remote. I calibrated the remote, and I'm pleased to say that it has finally fixed the issue. So my original Mavic Pro, 4 years old now, is actually working amazingly. It's still a very good drone, highly recommended. You can actually buy the Fly More combo for the Mavic Pro Platinum for about $1,000 now, so I believe it's a great deal. Anyways, the issue is now fixed, so I wanted to share my experience, and if you have that type of issue, go ahead and try it. It may fix the issues. All right, thank you so much. If you found this video of any help, please don't forget to subscribe and check my other videos. Thank you.